Hello, my friend. Welcome back. We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, hello. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning with us.
Today, we talk about something very important, something you need in real life.
Yes, very important. Today we learn English for asking directions.
Asking directions means you want to know where a place is.
You want to know how to go somewhere.
Maybe you are in a new city.
Maybe you are in a new country.
Maybe you are lost.
Or maybe you are not lost, but you are not sure.
This happens to everyone.
Yes, even me.
Even me too.
So do not worry.
You can do this.
You can ask for directions in English.
And today, we will help you.
We will go very slow.
We will use very easy English.
Short sentences.
We will repeat many times.
So you can remember.
And so you feel confident.
Confidence is very important.
Yes, when you feel calm, English feels easy.
Let us start with a small story.
Imagine this.
You are outside.
You are walking,
You want to go to the bus station.
but you do not know where it is.
You look left.
You look right.
You feel confused.
You feel a little scared.
You think, oh no, what do I do?
This is a real problem.
A daily life problem.
And English can help you.
You just need some simple words.
Very simple words.
Let us promise you something.
After this lesson, you can ask for directions.
You can understand simple answers.
And you can smile and feel good.
Yes, you can do this.
Now, we start very slow.
First, we learn the most important sentence.
The sentence is very simple.
Listen carefully.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
This is very important.
We say excuse me before we ask.
We say it to be polite.
We say it to get attention.
You can say it to a man.
You can say it to a woman.
You can say it to anyone.
Repeat after me.
Excuse me.
Again.
Excuse me.
One more time.
Excuse me.
Very good.
You sound great.
Now, after excuse me, we ask our question.
The next sentence is also simple.
Where is?
Where is
We use this to ask about a place,
a shop,
a station,
a toilet,
a hospital.
anything?
Repeat after me.
Where is?
Again.
Where is?
Good.
Now, let's put it together.
Excuse me, where is the bus station?
Listen again.
Excuse me, where is the bus station?
This is a full question.
Very polite.
Very clear.
Repeat after me.
Excuse me, where is the bus station?
Again, slowly.
Excuse me, where is the bus station?
Perfect.
You are doing very well.
Now, let's change the place.
We keep the same question.
Only the place changes.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
Repeat.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
Good.
Excuse me, where is the toilet?
Repeat.
Excuse me, where is the toilet?
Excellent.
This pattern is very useful.
You can use it every day.
Now, sometimes people also say bathroom.
Yes, toilet or bathroom.
Both are okay.
Now, let's learn another way to ask.
Another very common sentence.
How do I get to?
How do I get to? This is also very useful.
It means you want to know the way,
The steps.
the direction.
Repeat after me.
How do I get to?
Again. How do I get to?
Good.
Let's make a full question.
Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Repeat. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station? Very nice. You are learning fast.
Now, people will answer you.
Yes, they will help you.
They will use simple direction words.
We need to learn these words.
First word.
Go.
Go means move,
Move your body.
walk,
Or drive.
or ride. Go is very common.
Repeat. Go.
Good. Next word.
Straight.
Straight means do not turn.
You go forward.
Repeat.
Straight.
Again.
Straight.
Good.
Next word.
Left.
Left.
This side.
Not right.
Repeat.
Left.
Good.
Next word.
Right.
Right.
Not left.
Repeat. Right.
Very good.
Now we put words together.
Go straight.
Repeat. Go straight.
Good. Turn left.
Repeat. Turn left.
Nice. Turn right.
Repeat. Turn right.
Excellent.
These are the most common words.
People use them all the time.
Let us hear a full answer.
Imagine this.
You ask, "Excuse me, where is the bank?"
The person says, go straight, turn left.
Very simple.
Short sentences.
Easy to understand.
Now, let us practice.
I will ask.
You listen.
Okay. Excuse me, where is the coffee shop?
I answer.
Okay.
Go straight, turn right.
That is all.
Yes, very simple.
Now let's do repeat after me.
Repeat the answer.
Go straight.
Again.
Go straight.
Turn right.
Repeat. Turn right.
Good.
Now sometimes people also say it is.
Yes, it is very common.
It is on the left.
Or it is on the right.
On the left means left side.
On the right means right side.
Repeat. On the left.
Again.
On the left.
It's on the right.
Repeat. It's on the right.
Good.
Another word people use is near.
Near means close.
Not far.
Repeat.
Near.
Again.
Near.
And far.
Far means not near.
Repeat.
Far.
Good.
Example.
The bank is near.
Or the bank is far.
Simple.
Now let's do a longer conversation.
Real life.
You and a stranger.
Emily asks first.
Okay. Excuse me,
Yes.
where is the hospital?
Go straight.
Okay.
Turn left at the corner.
Turn left.
The hospital is on the right.
On the right.
Very good.
See? Very simple.
Now you try.
Imagine you are asking,
Repeat after me.
"Excuse me."
Where is the supermarket?
Say it. Good. Now I answer.
Go straight.
Repeat. Good.
Turn right.
Repeat. Good.
It's near the park.
Repeat. Very nice. You are doing great.
Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Many beginners make small mistakes.
That's okay.
Mistakes help us learn.
Mistake number 1.
Not saying "excuse me."
Some people just say, where is the bank?
This is not polite.
Not rude, but not polite.
Better to say, "Excuse me, where is the bank?"
Always start with excuse me.
Remember this.
Mistake number 2.
Saying too many words.
Long sentences.
You do not need that.
Not this. Hello, sir. Can you please tell me where exactly the location of the bank is?
Too long.
But this. Excuse me, where is the bank?
Short is good.
Mistake number 3.
Getting scared.
Feeling shy.
Not speaking.
Remember,
You can do this.
people want to help you.
They are kind.
Now let us practice again.
Repeat after me slowly.
Excuse me.
How do I get to the bus stop?
Again.
How do I get to the bus stop?
Good.
Answer.
Go straight.
Repeat.
Good. Turn left.
Repeat.
Excellent.
Now we will do a longer role play.
A long, real-life conversation.
Listen first, then repeat parts. Here we go.
Excuse me,
Yes,
how do I get to the train station?
go straight.
Okay,
Turn right at the big road.
turn right,
The train station is near the mall.
near the mall.
It is on the left.
It's on the left.
Very natural.
Very real.
Now you repeat the full thing with me.
I will pause.
Excuse me.
Pause.
Good.
How do I get to the train station?
Pause. Nice. Go straight.
Pause.
Turn right.
Pause.
It is near the mall.
Pause.
It is on the left.
Very good.
You are speaking English.
Yes, real English.
Now let us recap.
We repeat the key phrases.
Excuse me.